Have you ever thought about the fact that the very top of your resume isn't just for your name and phone number? That space is prime real estate. It's your first impression. And once you've nailed the basics, you can add a few optional, but powerful, details that can instantly make you stand out. First up, your professional title. Write something like Senior UX/UI Designer or Data Analyst, Python and SQL. This tells the hiring manager, right from the very first glance, that you're a strong fit for the exact role they're hiring for. Second, a link to your personal website or portfolio. This is especially important for creative roles, design, writing, development, anywhere you can show your work visually. But here's the key. Double-check that the link works, your portfolio looks polished, and it's completely up to date. Third, links to other professional social media. If you're in tech, an active GitHub profile is almost expected. If you're a designer, your Behance or Dribbble can make a huge difference. But, and this is important, only include them if they're active, professional, and relevant to the job. And finally, certifications or credentials. If you have highly relevant, reputable certifications, put them right after your name. Something like Jane Doe, PMP, or John Smith, CPA. In just a couple of letters, you've instantly communicated expertise and credibility. So, the next time you're working on your resume, remember, the header isn't just a formality, it's a golden opportunity to say, in the first 5 seconds, I'm exactly who you're looking for. Transforming careers and data analysis with the power of AI with Magical API. www.magicalapi.com